Welcome back to the Car Show, Guy. Your front row pass to the coolest classic cars and trucks on the scene. From restored beauties to wild custom builds, we're here to capture the style, the stories, and the sound. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into today's classic car show review.
White walls rolling a highway run, tail fins slicing through the breeze, a time machine on four wheels, please. The spirit of 57, oh, it flies, rumbles like thunder under open skies. Turn it up loud, let the engine sing. The past is alive in the hum of that machine. Bench seat dreams and radio glow, Saturday nights where the cool kids go. Neon signs flash on polished pride, every mile's a memory ride. Windows down, feel the wind collide, heartbeats racing with the countryside. The spirit of 57, oh, it flies, rumbles like thunder under open skies. Turn it up loud, let the engine sing. The past is alive in the hum of that machine. Rust won't win this fight, this steel's got soul tonight. She's a legend rolling free, an anthem in her key. The spirit of 57, oh, it flies, rumbles like thunder under open skies. Turn it up loud, let the engine sing. The past is alive in the hum of that machine.